Hello world. The last video I did, the sound disappeared. Sorry. So I'm gonna redo that subscriber recruiting plus the other ones I have also now. So I'm gonna break it down into a couple of different videos. So we'll start with the first one. Parrot Leonard Fabio Gasparlin video. DJ Soul, Alina the Bitten, UH60 Curate 2010, the Brett Ball, Gadget Flow Joe. That name just kind of just flows on out, don't it? Stupid Hat Matt and Ann Romanoff. Check their videos out, check their channels out. If you like them, subscribe. Some of them are some music channels, people trying to make their way in the music world. Check them out, send them on along if you like them. Subscribe. And I guess until next time, I'll be seeing you on the YouTube.